Oh, hello everyone. So I'm back. It's been a while since I've done any game development, live streaming game development, so thought I'd try to get back into it today. Last time I sort of worked on a RPG, live action RPG. I guess not live action, but action RPG called Mystic Legend Adventure Quest. So yeah, I've been really busy lately. Yeah, last weekend I went down to Stone Mountain and climbed Stone Mountains and saw the laser show, so that was very cool. Hadn't done that since I was a kid, but yeah, it's pretty tough. It's like a mile walking all the way up to the top. So I did the initial check-in here. And then coming back down is a lot easier. So, yeah, I took some pictures. I'll try to post some of those online. Then had the big ball game Monday, which unfortunately we lost. We dominated the whole game and then made stupid mistakes at the end. And, yeah, Georgia Tech got beat. So, having another game watching this Saturday. And then also this weekend we've got the Knoxville Game Design podcast. So, yeah, I think might have somebody new show up and demo a game. I think I'm just going to go over Inkscape and Spriter, which I recently installed. I need to drag that over to my desktop. Yeah, I had to go back and reinstall all my applications. After I wiped Windows. So it's got the little search icon, but maybe I didn't actually install it. Where is Inkscape? I don't know if it's one. I think it's one of those that actually came with an installer. So it should be around here somewhere. But yeah, I want to say thanks. Got a new Patreon pledge from Pixel Prophecy. So yeah, if you donate $1, you get a link on my website. So I got 3 patrons right now, Patreons, pledges. So I appreciate everyone supporting my game development. Yeah, she put a free game out. If I didn't mention it on the other stream, have a new game on the Xbox One, Kitty's Adventure. Well, it's a new old game. So yeah, check out Pixel Prophecy right here. You can click on his website right there and check him out. My newest pledge on Patreon. But anyway, yeah, put Kitty's Adventure on the Xbox One. It's got a lot of downloads. I think it had like 2,700 downloads in the first week, which was pretty impressive. That's probably my most downloaded game of all time now, because on itch.io, I think my most popular game is either Free Person Shooter or Crappy Bird, which used to be named Crappy Bird. And those had like maybe 1,000 downloads, like of all time. So to have 2,700 downloads in a week is pretty amazing. It is a free game. If I put it up there for $1, I figure the conversion ratio would have been about 30%. It seems like that's what it used to be on the old Xbox 360. So definitely wouldn't have had as many downloads. But so yeah, check out my Patreon. Now, I want to go back. Oh, I was doing Inkscape. So, drag this over here. I've also been working on my kanji slides quite a bit. It's helping me learn kanji. So, I'm taking kanji that are in my kanji book, the guide to remembering Japanese characters, going through here, making slides, to visually represent each kanji. I'm going to make a presentation out of that. Hopefully post that up online sometime soon. So stay tuned for that. I think I'm going to do it by grade. So it's like for each grade, it starts out small. It's like the first grade is like 80 kanji, then the second grade is like 120, then it kind of keeps going on up from there. So I'm going to start out with just doing a video of the first grade and posting that up. And I'm also working on trying to wrap up the 2016 Games of 2016 highlight video. So I got all of that done, but I found out like one of the games at the beginning didn't have the best recording quality. So I think I want to go back and re-record that game before I post it online. So stay tuned for that as well. So yeah, I'm still looking for Inkscape here. Show all downloads. Inkscape. Must be this one, 0.92. Yeah, downloaded it yesterday. So let's run this. Run. Next. Accept. Okay. Custom. I want to install it to E. Okay. Yeah, it would be bad if I showed up on the podcast and say, hey, I'm going to do a presentation on Inkscape, and don't even have it installed yet. So need to definitely get this done. I think I already have Spriter. Went ahead and made sure that I had Spriter installed the other day. Did that click OK? Yeah, so here's Spriter. But I need to go back and maybe on Saturday refresh myself on how to do bones and how to assign things to bones and things like that. And maybe have like the Rothschilding, have one already set up and everything just in case we run short on time or I forget a step or something. And have that ready to go. But yeah, I think I wanted to work on maybe a model today for reconnection successful. So yeah, hopefully that glitch wasn't very long. But it's like I tried installing Inkscape and it just kind of took everything under control and cut off my OBS. It's sort of bizarre there. I guess I could turn my desktop audio up. It's kind of low there. Okay, file open. I was also working on some renders for the Knoxville, Georgia Tech Club. Just fooling around with that a little bit. So, LD Smith, projects. Yeah, I probably got a couple hours, maybe an hour and a half or something here. Mystic Legend, I still haven't came up with a better name. Models. So hero. Here's my hero. Yay! I think I want like a 3D dot game heroes or like that chibi style. Although 3D dot games heroes was a voxel game. I don't want voxels. Go ahead and run GIMP. I don't know why GIMP's been taking so long to load. I think I might need to just like completely wipe it from my system and reinstall. It's like it always goes into looking for data files. It's like it can't find fonts for some reason. It always takes forever to load. Ever since I wiped my operating system, GIMP has been very, very slow. So is Inkscape done? Okay, Inkscape's... I could do this in Inkscape. That might actually be faster. Might get a better image as well. Okay, put Inkscape right there on my desktop. That's kind of nice. Move Unity up here. No. Do I have to like install GTK or some weird junk like that? Why isn't Inkscape running? Crud. Then GIMP's just being slower than Christmas here. Thank you. I seriously need to reinstall GIMP. That's like way too slow. I think I should have just like moved the old GIMP directory before I installed GIMP again. I think it may have some overlap with an old install. Crap. Could be having the same problem with Inkscape here. It's like installed over an old. What do I want to do here? Progra. Inkscape. Right click. Left click. Uninstall. Uninstall. 0.922 Google Inkscape. You also did a quick tutorial type thing on deploying an Xbox One game. I did a video of that. Check that out if anyone's interested in deploying a UWP game on the Xbox One. No credit. I just saw the download. There it is. Okay, yes. Windows 64 MSI package. Download started. Save. That's 0.92.2. I'm kind of wanting to get Inkscape working correctly. Well, that's odd. Look at that. It's like my OBS is behind. Maybe I need to stop and restart the stream. So my camera is right. That is bizarre. Look at the mouse is going, but I'm not seeing that on my screen. I'm seeing Inkscape. I'm scrolling now. The mouse is moving. That's not what I'm seeing. That's so bizarre. Let me close that. Close tabs. That's crazy. Transform, reset. Let's see if that does. That's so bizarre. Yeah, I'm not seeing that on my screen. Now I'm seeing Blender, but it's not showing up over here. Oh, maybe I'm capturing the wrong display. Is that what's going on? No. Because I'm moving this other display here. What is going on there? Primary monitor off. On. Okay, there we go. Now we're refreshed. I just had to click it off and click it on. That was so bizarre. Okay. I don't know why Source Tree keeps acting like it's trying to do something. It's kind of like that stupid thing in the Godot engine where it keeps spinning when you're moving your mouse and it looks like it's actually doing something and it really isn't. Sort of annoying. Okay, I think Inkscape's off now. So what I want to do, I want to go in Programs, Inkscape. Is there anything in? See, it's all this old gunk in here. So I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna go ahead and plop this in old. paste. I think that could have been the problem right there. It's like I had one Inkscape trying to install into the directory of another old Inkscape. It's probably not a good idea. Video output low. I'm not dropping any frames. .97 frames a second. I know this probably isn't very interesting here, but I want to go ahead and get this done because I'll forget about it. And then I'll be on the podcast say, hey, I need to install Inkscape. I just need to kick this off. Reconnection, yay. And I'll see if I move, yeah, that stays normal. Okay, we're almost done. Doesn't work. So I'm thinking of having like different sets of armor that the character can wear, things like that. So I want to have a very simplistic character starting out, so I can layer on different types of armor on top of him. I don't know why YouTube keeps complaining about low video output. It's like Open Broadcaster says, yeah, 29.97 frames per second. Don't know what's going on there. Okay, finish. Now will Inkscape start now? See, a lot of people don't take this into consideration in game development time, like time to get your tools working and everything. It does take a considerable amount of time to make sure everything's working correctly. So I double-clicked Inkscape and it doesn't act like it's doing anything. I'm pretty sure I saw it spinning there. Double-click it again. Oh, now I'm going to get like 10 of them pop up. For some reason, Inkscape is slow like that. I guess I could delete some of these unities. 0.5. I don't need B9 anymore. Oh, there's F1. I don't need F1. 1F1, B9. I don't want either of these. I want this one right here. The patch version. I don't know why like both Inkscape and GIMP are like incredibly slow. I'm surprised I didn't get two Inkscapes. Probably be another one pop up here in a little bit. But yeah, zoom in. Get my practice with Inkscape. Want to round this up. There's my second Inkscape, finally. Maybe it's because I'm trying to stream this and everything. It just doesn't like that. So I need my options. Options. Oh, I think they changed this a little bit. Fill in stroke. There it is. Fill. No fill. Stroke. Needs to be a little bit wider. There we go. Maybe just 2 millimeters. Okay, that's fine. Why can't I? There we go. Can I do the roundy corners? Could just freehand this. Is a little bit different than what I remember. There's the roundy corners right there. But maybe, yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's what I want, roundy corners. Well, that can be an eye right there. So I need to do half of the face. I think I want to freehand the face. Make it kind of straight and narrow. Like that. A short little neck there. Get my roundy option back out. Become a little bit skinnier. Then I can grab these and make these smooth. Whoa. I'm not crazy how that jumps around so much. Crud. Yeah, I'm not sure I like this new version of Inkscape. Face is severely deformed right there. I just needed that. Why does it keep flipping like that? Handable to custom node. I just want these smooth. It's like this is way out of whack right here. Wow. Where's this? Okay, there's an arm. I don't even know if I really want a hand. I think the body needs to be a little bit more shapely. Move this part up. Let's add another rectangle. Pull this out. Up. Do a leg. I always do the feet wrong. I need the feet like protruding forward instead of going out to the side. The shoe can be like right here. But yeah, this is just like a rough guide anyway. Oh no. I think I like pixels better. There we go. Looks kind of puffy. That's okay though. I think I do want the leg going into here. I need to change the fill. To white. Maybe like a tint of yellow. Move it to the top. There we go. So this fill needs to be white. I don't know why it keeps jerking around like that. I don't like that. That's something new in Inkscape that isn't cool. So, where's my pen? I don't know how I'm going to do hair. I'm just going to have it go up and over and over. Round. Like this. It's like way too jumpy. I don't like that. Okay, that's looking pretty good right there. Like I said, it's going to be kind of like a little chibi type guy anyway. Like, give him red hair. Is there a way to extrude a point? Wow, that's so far behind. I think this is fine. This is a start. LD Smith Projects Mystic Legend Adventure Quest. Come on, take me to that folder. So I'm going to put this in Models Guide. Go ahead and call this Play R. Yeah, I don't know how crazy I am about this new version of Inkscape. It's kind of not fun. So now, whoa! Crud. I want to export. Player guide. Export. Come over to Blendar. Background images. Add image. Open guide. Player guide. There he is. Let's So I really need to scale this guy down. I like how he's transparent on the background. That's kind of nice. Scale him down, turn on transparency, move him up, scale him down some more, not too much. Put his foot there. He needs to be a tad bit taller. Wish he was like anchored at his foot. There we go. Get this side over here. Get this centered up about right there. Okay. I think I want to start over. Start with the cube. GZ1. Okay. And do some loop cuts. Do 3. Where's my loop cut? Crud. Why can't I do a horizontal loop cut? There it is. Okay. Also want to do... Whoa, I didn't want to do subdivision surface. Crud. So apparently there's a Control R hotkey to do subdivision surface. Or maybe I did Control S. Control R. There we go. That's good. I'll delete these. I'm going to add a mirror modifier on, is it X? Yeah, X. So now we got that. GX, move that in. GX. Scale X. Whoa, no, I didn't want to do that. GX. Okay, let's go to side view. Scale Y. So I really need to do like a side view too, but I don't only want this to be on the front. Okay. That looks good. It's always good to have one above the arm socket and one below the arm socket. That way you can extrude from it. It's like one of those things that you learn over time. It makes life a little bit easier. It's always weird with the legs. It's like I can pull that one down. There we go. Pull that one out a little bit. Legs look a little bit deformed. Oh well. Want another loop cut right here. Do that down. Then I want to take these. Then I'll extrude these out on Y. So that'll be the feet right there. Grab these, extrude these out, scale them up, GZ, rotate, Y. Yeah, there we go. Maybe pull this one down, GZ. Extrude this one out, scale it down, extrude it out, scale Z up, GX, extrude, scale Z down. Looking pretty good. Oops. Now I need a thumb, so actually I need like a loop cut right here. I need two of them. I think I just need this one. Extrude. Rotate. Y. GZ. Okay. So now I kind of need to just shape his body out now. Maybe do another loop cut through the middle. Okay, I need to shape his head up a little bit. Well, I don't know. Oh no. Pull this down a little bit. Make him look a little bit more humanoid now. I need to go to face select. G1. G1. Pull the front of his face out a little bit. G1. Pull the back out a little bit. Seems like the neck is a little bit too fat here. Hands are definitely way too fat. I need to turn on this tool. Yeah, I like that tool right there. Scale Y. Scale these arms down a little bit. Especially the hands. GY, pull these back a little bit. Go back to vertices, like these. GY, pull these out, make it look a little bit more smooth. Make them a little bit more toned here. Probably should have did a loop cut right down the side. There we go. Just to give me some more faces to play with. The head still not crazy about the head. I wish it would do the other side. There we go. Scale Y. Looks a little bit better. GY. Scale Y. That looks pretty good right there. GY. Ooh, that doesn't look good. Head looks a little bit fat, but that may be okay. Crud. I'm missing some faces down here. I can already tell the way I extruded that. Turn this off. So this one needs to be connected to this one. It's like this one, this one, this one, and this one. This one, this one, this one, and this one. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Then this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay. Looks like there's an extra vertex right there. I think it's okay to delete. Hey, whoa. I needed that one. Let me delete this face. Go back here. Problem is I don't have like another leap cut right here. So I'll just do 2 triangles, I think. Okay. Yeah, I don't. Pull this back. GY. Looks a little bit lopsided there. GY. Okay. This neck still doesn't look great. But, yeah, let's just add some smoothing. Kind of looks like my guy from Dual Eagles. Save. Go ahead and animate this guy. Wonder if I can animate them and not apply the mirror modifier. That's always nice when I can do that. Seems like I did it one time before. It worked out really well. Okay, 0, 0, 0. I need to turn X-ray on. Okay. GZ. GZ. And options, X-axis mirror. Shift E. Shift E. Shift. Oh, I don't want to shift there. Need to delete that. Easy. Shift E. Shift E. There's the armature. I want to select this, Control P with automatic weights. So now I should be able to go into pose mode. Move these guys around, move them around. Okay. So yeah, this is like a quick and dirty rigging job. Let's go to animation, 1, 5, zoom in, up. Action editor. Want to set to lock rot. Down, down. Well, that's kind of odd. Your hands sticking, thumb sticking out. Rotate, rotate. Okay. Copy. Paste. I don't like how the fingers stick out so much. No. Standing. So I didn't name these correctly. I forgot to do that. Head. Arm, L. Go ahead and call this hand L. Body. Whoa. Leg. Foot. Arm. Hand. Leg. Foot. Okay. So let's make this 30 frames. I 15. I could just copy paste that. Play. There he is standing. I want a new one. Pose. Clear transform. All. Walking. Walking. Pose. Clear all. I wish it cleared out all of this too. There we go. Let's delete all those. Walking. So rotate X up. Rotate Z. Rotate X. Rotate X. Rotate X. Rotate X. So I go to 30, do an I, go to 15 and do a copy, other side paste. Hey, that did pretty good. Look at that. I. So now we're gonna play. Woo! Look at him go. Oh, I need a head bob in there. I don't think this is my best guy I've ever rendered, but gets the job done. His arms look kind of lanky. Walking, standing, walking, I want to go ahead and do a texture map too. Should do an attacking. That'll come in a minute. So what I want to do is have a bone or something to hold the sword. It's like, can I parent the sword to the right bone? Okay, you can stop running now. It's like I gotta go back into animation to make him stop running. Okay. UV editing 1.5 and let's just do edit mode. No, I don't need you posing. Edit. Mesh, UV unwrap, project from view. And, okay, G, move this over. So now I need to do a control 1. Select all, turn off this click through, grab the back, get rid of that vertex. Let's get that one. Let me get faces. Control 1. B. So now I just got his back. Control 1. Mesh. UV layout. UV unwrap. Project from view. So there's his back. So front side, back side. Actually, I could match these up. Pretty close. Scale down just a tad. That looks good. Image, UV, export UV layout. Hero layout. Export. Pull it into GIMP. I'll go ahead and save that. Yeah, there's something definitely wrong about how GIMP is installed here. So we're going to go File, Open, LD Smith, Projects, Mystic, Legend Adventure Quest, Assets, Models, Layout. So we're going to add a layer, move it down. So, okay, edit, fill, okay, let's give them brownish hair, I guess, I don't know. It's gonna be my quick and dirty hair job here. So this is the front. I should have did my loop tool. This will be the back. It's just gonna go up to here. Oops. Paint. Let me grab this color. And make sure I don't have anything right here. Let me do a couple of eyes. Might want to do the eyes on a new layer. Edit, fill with BG. Edit, fill with foreground. This. And do some eyebrows. Let's do a mouth. Okay, it doesn't look great, but oh well. Do like a white shirt. Okay. Fill. Do some, what color are his pants going to be? Like a bluish, or could be brown too. Okay. Drag. Down through here, and up through here. Around here. Paint. Paint. Grab this here. I want his boots to be really dark. Yeah, I probably should have been using the loop tool, but oh well. Go straight across here, go straight across here, to here, to here, to here, and here to here. And flood fill this, flood fill that. Let's go ahead and give him a belt. All the way across here, across here. Belt buckle, just like my other game. So this is just going to be on the front side. Edit, fill. I can make this better later, but file, save it. Oops, I need to turn off the layout. File, save as, hero texture. File, export as, hero texture.png, export, export, go back into Blender, image, open, hero texture. Let's go back over to normal or default, and let's go in texture rendering. No. Where's texture? Texture and shadeless. So there he is. There he is running. Yay! A little bit blocky, but oh well. File, save, close this down. Go into Unity. Oh! So I think since I used the same model as I did last time, that it should go ahead and set everything up. The only thing I'm worried about is usually I may have to actually open it up in Unity. Yeah, it's like it's re-importing it, but it's importing it as something different. So I don't know how this is going to work out. So, you know, go ahead and upgrade to patch 5, which is required for the latest Xbox Live. But yeah, like the one thing I want to learn out of all this is to get a weapon moving along with the bone, like a hand on the player. That's the one thing that I thought about doing in the Ancient Adventure game that I didn't get working. So if I can do that, I would be happy. Yeah, I'm going to see if this works, and I'm going to take a break. Maybe back later. I don't know. I'm feeling pretty tired tonight after last weekend. After everything I did last weekend and Labor Day, I just need a break. I need to finish up my 2016 highlight video. I think I may do that. Then work on the kanji slides a little bit. See if I can get through first grade on kanji. But yeah, the new method's really helping me learn a lot better. Like, I kind of knew the first 100 kanji, but with this new photo image method, it's really kind of drilling them into my brain, which hopefully I'll have to put the slides out on Speaker Deck or something. Then I know how to actually make a video with YouTube, or make a video through PowerPoint to post to YouTube. So I already have my sword done, which is what I did last time. Let's see if this guy moves. No, I gotta rewire him up. That's okay. So I'm gonna drag my hero out here, which you can't see much. So he has a hero. That's odd. Looks like it would have pulled that in. So yeah, the lesson learned is you have to edit your mesh from, you have to open it up from within Unity to get it to apply correctly. Otherwise, you got to delete the old one, then rewire all the other stuff up, which isn't very fun. But yeah, it should have, oh, it's still called cube. It's got all my bones. I wonder if I can go in. I'm going to double click here. Well, I guess I can't do it that way. File, save. When I go into models, hero, can I edit? So you show an explorer. Yeah, that's the same one. Thought that would open it up in Blender. Maybe it is. There we go. So I want to rename this to body. Change it from cube to body. File, save, close. Then it opened another one up. So does it change it to body for me? Looks like it should. Hello. Importing. You can tell it's like really sucking down the resources from my stream. Hey, it changed it to body. That's cool. Okay, I need to apply. Hero, apply. Then I gotta rewire. See, this is the pain of having to deal with this here, is you gotta rewire everything you've already done. Like battle manager, hero. Okay, it looks like that's still right. Okay, there he is with the sword. I can't attack. I need to like redo the inputs. I'll do that really quickly since it isn't that difficult. Where's, oh, there we go. fire one, fire two. Let's see, it's got all these different. What am I using? So scripts, hero. So on the Xbox, that's A. I'm just going to use the Xbox convention. Button A. Save. Edit. Project input. Change fire one to button A. Fire one to. Come on. Change this to button A. Oh, I need my handy dandy picture that I tweeted out. Twitter.com from Gotek grad Xbox. Latest. It was a link. Here it is. So the A button is buttons. I thought that's what I was using. Yeah, okay. Joystick button 0 and mouse 0. Okay, there we go. I need to learn like the new animation style, but for now I'm just going to do the old animations. Hero animation. It's like, is there any way to animate without, to use the Blender animations without turning it to Legacy? That's the only way I know how to do it. That's like a decision to make. It's like, do you want to do your animations in Unity or do you want to do them in Blender? I kind of like doing the animations in Blender, keeping them all there. Wow, I can't even see his face there. Almost looks like he's backwards or something. Oh, there he is. Yeah, his arms need a little bit of work. His hair too. Get rid of that. Standing, play, yay. Walking, yay. Get rid of that. I think I want to use that Mecanum stuff to transition between the two. But I don't know if I can use the Mecanum stuff with Legacy. Loop. Loop. Apply. This just feels weird developing a game and not having like a 48-hour limitation. A game that I would actually submit to a competition. It's not due in 48 hours. Yeah, that hand is seriously messed up. So, hero, prefab, hero, hero. This is always confusing. Still don't fully understand the avatar stuff. Controller. I think there should be an animation on this guy. Mesh? No. Animation. Walking. On walking. Actually want standing too. Probably should have called it player standing and player walking. Okay, he's walking. He's walking. That actually looks pretty good. He just needs to look in the direction where he's facing. Let me see if I can fix that real quick. I think I need to normalize. Game object dot transform dot rotation quaternion identity. Game object transform dot rotate. Or is it just local rotation? Vect move. I don't know. Vector 3 up. Quaternion axis. Angle axis. Vect. Oh, maybe I can just set vector 3 dot up. Can I just set the rotation to that? And I do have code that does this, so I can always cheat. Oh, it needs to float. Back move. I think I'm gonna cheat. I'm tired enough to cheat right now, which I don't think is really cheating. It's just looking at some of my old code. Projects. Ancient Adventure. Assets. Scripts. Player CS. Okay, here we go. Wow, it doesn't handle movement. Maybe I had an input. I bet I had a controller. Did I do it in Playmaker? I must have done it in Playmaker. Oh, man. The thing about Playmaker is like always having to keep it up to date. I'm using tags there. Yeah, I'm using Playmaker. Okay, forget that. I can do it this way. Rotate. Dir 3 dot up. Quaternion angle. Two Euler angles. Oh boy. So I just want the angle from where this vector is pointing. And I thought it was angle axis. Could do a look at target, world position. Isn't there a look direction? No. Rotate. Rotate. So I do like 90. So that rotated them backwards. Whoa! Look at that. When I press A, I go forward. What in the world did I do in project settings? Button A. Button A. Oh my. Oh, there I'm doing the angle axis right there. Unity get vector angle. Okay. Vector 3 dot angle. Okay, that makes sense. Vector 3 dot angle. Vect move. Vector 3 dot. This is forward. I'm gonna go from forward to move. I want to know what that angle is. I don't want to rotate on that. Yeah, I know Playmaker does make this a little bit easier. Okay, so up works, down works, left and right don't work. And if I let go of the joystick, then it goes back. I wonder why left and right don't work. Why does A make me go forward? It's doing some weird... I don't know. It's like the rotation on the rotation is causing weird problems. Maybe I just need to do vector 3 up. I don't think that's right there. I bet I need to wait, figure out the rotation before. F angle gets vector 3 dot angle vector 3 dot forward vect move. So I'm going to do debug log angle F angle. So that's 180. 0, 90, 180, 99. The problem is I got 90 both left and right, which should be like a negative 90. So maybe I need two different angles? Because there's a horizontal opponent and a vertical. There's an X and a Z. So if I'm pointing forward, 90, 0. Yeah, I have to come back and think about this more later. But yeah, I got the guy moving around, and yeah, I want to put the sword in his hand, texture map the sword. So yeah, this is good for an hour, but I want to take a break now. So thanks for watching, everyone.